What it do, custom fam, what it do? Man, that's what we got going on, right? So check this out. Man, y'all know my old school partner, Mr. Dunn, I'll be telling y'all about, right? Mr. Dunn, Mr. Dunn, Mr. Dunn. He the one sent the letter that just did we just did the bumper for y'all. Go check out that video on the bumper, you know what I mean, for the Honda Accord. But he's sending me people, but, you know. So he got me going to church and with him and stuff like that. And we doing the church fan. So I ain't gonna bore y'all too much. Long story short, we gotta get to it. They want new decals. We got body work right there that I started on. A couple of little knickknacks. It's a thin up there. Well, what I'm gonna do about that? This side is not too bad. I got a little body work right there. But to make, you know, I'm gonna do it for church. You know what I'm saying? I didn't charge them a whole lot. Shot myself in the foot. Should have kept it at my first price. Because they got it. But the problem is, I ain't getting no deposit. Now I was like, Mr. Dunn, what's up with the deposit? You should have said that at first. Mr. Dunn, come on, man. You know I do a deposit for every job I do. This economy, I already don't charge enough. How I'm gonna sit up there and pay for all this stuff out of my pocket, bro? Man. Just can't get ahead. I'm finna get this thing out the way. Let's go. Okay, y'all. This our progress. This where we at on the van. About an hour and a half. Kind of went fast. There go Mr. Dunn, y'all. I always be telling y'all about. There you go. We've been going to church. You've been taking me to church. Went from being my neighbor to my friend. Now we business partners. We ain't even talked about it. We just started doing business together. But yeah, we got to get this van knocked out. He working on the hinges, getting the door locks working, so we can get the church back on the road. We can go start visiting some other churches and stuff. Yes. What it do, custom fam? Man. We about 3-4 days, probably longer, out from the original video. Where I'm at right now on the van, I'm working on the roof. Got the roof all sand down. This edge is like typical on all these vans. That's where the rust started, because I guess the water sits up in this little lip or whatever it look like. So the water, it causes rust. So I got all this sanded down with 320, got in all the grooves real good. So now what I'm working on, I got this Loctite rust dissolver that came in a little paint bundle that I bought from my buddy. He work at AutoZone. So he said, man, I got a lot of paint stuff I bought on sale. I said, I can always use it. So what I'm gonna do is pour it a little bit in there. I got this paintbrush been sitting outside. Look like it got rust on it too, but it'll be all right. So what I'm gonna do is try to get on my glove. Take the paintbrush and kind of just dab up in there like that with it. This don't take a whole lot. So I'm just gonna come all the way across the whole top of the roof. It's been raining here in Texas, man, so it threw me off. Plus I've been feeling sick. I think from sanding this thing, I didn't have no mask on. This thing was filthy, been sitting up for like 3 years. Had all kind of algae and all that type of crap on there. So Y'all know my motto. We want to get rid of them. Said I wasn't gonna do no more calls. It's hard not to. And who gonna turn down money? Especially, you know, when the church asks you to do something, that's like God asking you to do something. So you ain't gonna turn down that. But it's always an inconvenience. Cause I always wind up giving more than you receive. But I guess that's what's being a believer is about. But anyway, we're gonna get around the car. Then I'm gonna start sanding on my cutlass. Guess I'm gonna go ahead and do what I have to do. I was waiting on my partner. We got that motor in there 2-3 weeks ago. Just need to be buttoned up, put the headers on, get it rolling. I'll do it myself in a minute. I'm finna start sanding it down. It's Saturday, almost 70. I really wanna get fresh and jump in one of them cars. But I'm gonna go and work. Wife at work, daughter in the house. Look out for her, chill. Ain't nothing in these streets. But back to the fun. Alright, this is where I'm at with the van. I was gonna shoot a video yesterday, but man, the neighbor kids was out here. A lot of music going on. It was just chaos. They were making all this noise. So I couldn't do a video. But I worked yesterday after, like I say, days of on and off with either rain or just really cold weather. It was warm yesterday, but then it rained a little bit overnight. But this was I had already painted. What I did was painted the roof. Large vehicles like this, I like to paint my roof first. So I got the roof done. Then I got I had masked, had put plastic on everything. I painted the roof, the hood, this door, that fender, pretty much everywhere where I didn't have to do body work. And these back doors. So now I'm gonna take the plastic off. And I guess today, I'm gonna do body work. Man, I'm really, the ground all soggy and stuff, man. It's supposed to be up from here the rest of this week, so I'm gonna go ahead and complete this. My buddy coming, we're gonna button up the cutlass. I'm just sick of this bad weather, man. I'm really in desperate need of a shop, so I've been looking. We've been getting some capital together, working on some things. Probably gonna start buying houses. I'm gonna buy the house, build a little shop, a little garage for my cars in a bay to work out of, and then go from there. But just trying to work around whenever it rains, this is getting kind of annoying because I leave things out, not expecting rain, and then I got water all in time. Man, it's just 3 steps forward, 1 step backwards, you know what I'm saying? So, but ain't no skipping the line. Ain't no jumping over other people and stepping on other people to try to get ahead. We just keep taking them steps. You feel what I'm saying? But ain't no need to get to pushing people and doing bull crap to try to get ahead, because that ain't how we living over here. Things go so smoothly, so well financially, you know. We got to work on spiritual peace, not wanting to retaliate, all that type of things, you know what I'm saying? Like, that's the type of stuff we on over here. Money, not no issue, you know. We gotta get stuff together though. Gotta get us a crib and then a shop. Let's go, Custom fam. What's up with it, Custom gang? Man, I've been all over the place, bruh. I've been all over the place, but we done with the van. Just like with everything, gave me some work. Put these on the first time. Realized the people had spelled church wrong, so I had to take this off, put it back on. They didn't get the pastor right the first time, so I went out there like 2 or 3 times. But today's Sunday. I hope they have a good offer so they can give me my money. Cause I'm ready to get paid. I hate when I'm done with something and I gave you a good price and then it's basically like I'm begging for my money out and I already work for. I mean, give me my money, man. You know. But I got so much stuff to do, man. We finna redo the Paris scene. My little body work was sticking up right here. So I want to go down on that, go over, smooth it out, flow coat it. I'm gonna like double up, triple up on the pearl. I want that thing to be just like, hit you soon as, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna put way more pearl in it. Then I gotta paint this. Figure out what I'm gonna do with this, the color on this. Put these little temporary rims on that hoe. Get the water pump on Lil Mama. I got new rims coming for this motherfucker too, you know what I'm saying? New brand new 20s for her that fit her car. Shit just going down, man. Between all this, I done reshot the truck again. My gate locked, so I can't go out there. That thing, stupid pearl. I made that color. What you looking at is light gray metallic, dark gray metallic, with a little light blue and a little raw blue. And the pearl game inside that thing is stupid. So, just having fun, man. Car Road Customs. Come get some. Let go.